to today's lecture on coronaviruses. Over the past few decades, this family of viruses has gained significant attention due to their role in various outbreaks. In this session, we'll uncover the science behind coronaviruses, focusing on their structure, how they infect, and their broader impact on humanity. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that belong to the Coronaviridae family. They are named for their crown-like spikes, visible under a microscope, derived from the Latin word corona. Coronaviruses are known to infect both humans and animals, and their effects range from mild illnesses, like the common cold, to severe respiratory diseases, such as SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, and MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome. Let's take a closer look at the structure of coronaviruses. Like all viruses in this family, they are spherical and composed of several components. The spike protein. These are the crown-like spikes that give the virus its name. The spike protein is crucial for attaching to host cells by binding to specific receptors. The envelope protein. This tiny protein plays a significant role in assembling and releasing new virus particles from infected cells. The membrane protein. Acting as a scaffold, the M protein provides structural stability to the virus. The nucleocapsid protein. This protein wraps around the RNA, the virus's genetic material, protecting it and aiding in replication. The lipid bilayer. The outermost layer is a fatty envelope stolen from the host cell. Interestingly, this layer is fragile and can be destroyed by soap, which is why hand washing is an effective defense against these viruses. The infection process begins when the spike protein binds to receptors on host cells. For example, SARS-CoV binds to the ACE2 receptor, while MERS-CoV binds to the DPP4 receptor. Once attached, the virus fuses with the cell membrane and releases its RNA. The viral RNA takes control of the host cell's machinery, forcing it to produce new virus particles. These particles are then released, infecting neighboring cells and spreading within the host. The impact of coronaviruses has been profound during various outbreaks. The SARS outbreak in 2002 to 2003 resulted in significant loss of life and economic disruption. Similarly, the MERS outbreak, which began in 2012, highlighted the challenges posed by zoonotic transmission and global travel. COVID-19 has been profound. Health systems worldwide faced unprecedented challenges, with millions of lives lost and many more affected by long-term complications, known as long COVID. Beyond health, the pandemic disrupted economies, education, and mental well-being. Preventing the spread of coronaviruses relies on several key measures. Wearing masks, especially in crowded or indoor spaces, to reduce respiratory droplet transmission. Regular hand hygiene, as soap destroys the virus's lipid bilayer. Avoiding close contact with sick individuals and practicing respiratory hygiene. Monitoring zoonotic transmission risks, as many coronaviruses originate in animal hosts such as bats and camels. Advancements in science, particularly in vaccine and antiviral research, have been instrumental in combating coronavirus outbreaks. Vaccines for specific coronaviruses, like those developed for SARS-CoV-2, represent a significant achievement, showcasing the potential to mitigate future outbreaks. As we reflect on humanity's encounters with coronaviruses, we are reminded of the importance of vigilance, scientific progress, and global cooperation. These viruses have underscored the need for robust public health systems and proactive measures to prevent pandemics. Coronaviruses have impacted lives, economies, and health systems, but they have also driven remarkable advancements in science. From vaccine development to understanding zoonotic diseases, our journey through these outbreaks has strengthened global preparedness and resilience. Let us remember, understanding and combating coronaviruses is an ongoing effort. Staying informed, protecting vulnerable populations, and investing in scientific research are vital steps in reducing their impact on humanity.